Hello guys! Today I'm gonna show you possible causes and practical solution for E2 problem in Candy Washing Rapid Pro 4. So, if you see the error E2, that may means the machine cannot load the water. You have to make sure the water supply tap is open, make sure the water supply hose isn't bent, kinked or trapped, close the water supply tap, unscrew the filter hose from the back of the washing machine and make sure the anti-sand filter is clean and not blocked. And the last tip, check that the filter is non-clogged or that there are no foreign bodies inside the filter. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment and goodbye.